14 years ago, Gremsy was founded on a simple aspiration that Vietnamese people could master advanced technology and create products capable of reaching global standards. Born from the minds and hands of Vietnamese engineers, we are not only a manufacturer of gimbals and payloads, but also crafting precision for the future. From small labs with belief and perseverance, we steadily built our name, establishing Gremsy as a source of pride for Vietnam on the global technology map. From a dedicated gimbal manufacturer, we have steadily advanced through continuous innovation and development, with signature products well received by the market, including VIO, Oris L, and Lynx. Gremsy is proud to deliver cutting-edge image stabilization solutions and smart camera payloads for the broader aerospace industry, and especially for the unmanned aerial vehicle sector. With an experienced R&D team driving every stage of our growth, Gremsy continues to invest in technological innovation, developing products that meet international standards and earn the trust of customers worldwide. From ISO and Sony Green Partner to NDAA compliant, Blue UAS, CE, FCC, ROAS, each certification stands as a testament to the quality and reliability of Gremsy's technology.
Gremsy's products are used and trusted in over 30 countries, supported by more than 40 strategic partners worldwide.
Gremsy's journey has always aligned with Vietnam's national development vision, advancing high-tech industries and fostering innovation made in Vietnam. With the support of government agencies and innovation-driven policies, Gremsy has steadily demonstrated the capability of Vietnamese enterprises to master technology at a global level. We have also had the honor of welcoming delegations from the government and central ministries who recognized our efforts in elevating Vietnam's technology footprint on the world stage.
After 14 years of innovation, the Gremsy factory stands as the defining milestone that completes our journey and opens a promising 15th year ahead. Built on 25.721,116 meters squared and a 4,262 meters squared construction footprint, Gremsy factory is constructed to the LEED Gold standard, a symbol of sustainable, world-class manufacturing for the next era of Gremsy. Gremsy continues to uphold global excellence with key certifications such as Sony Green Partner, reinforcing our long-term commitment to responsible, future-ready technology.
From Vietnamese aspirations to global stature, Gremsy enters a new era of technology and creativity.
Gremsy Factory
marks not only a new milestone, but also the confidence and vision of a Vietnamese technology enterprise reaching out to the world. Gremsy, creating the future with Vietnamese intelligence.